road, and we just pulled into Fontana Spa. We're gonna have a bowl of soup, and then we're gonna jump in a hot spring again, warm up after a very chilly experience. Ready for a little steam? So this is the geothermal steam coming from below. Ooh, it's geothermal heat coming up from below, and then it just super steams. One of the hottest steamers ever been, and just jumped in the cold plunge.
You know it's gonna be cold, so you just, I do a little Wim Hof breathing before I get in.
This water is freaking cold.
Love World Playground. Where can you experience this? Woo!
1, 2, 3.
Come on!
Looks like you got my top.
You got it again. Yes.
Push it.
Ed, you got it. You got it.
I'm getting numb.
That's it. That's it.
I'm getting numb. Getting numb.
Having a nice time.
Not losing consciousness.
Nothing.
We're gonna make the whole.
It's cutting laps. Look at him, he's cutting laps. He's just showing everybody he was in here. Everybody's seen it, and I'm out. And I'm out. Oh, she going all the way
I'm not
down.
doing that.
We'll start the 5 minutes when we get shoulder deep. Are you gonna go shoulder deep?
I feel like.
Or waist deep?
Yeah.
Oh, yes!
Oh.
Yes, Cheryl! Get it, Cheryl! It's shallow! It's shallow!
You! Yeah, Cheryl! Yoo-hoo!